Hello traders, Day Trader Matt here of businesswithtrading.com, doing a trading strategy recap for the 9th of April, Thursday. Today was so fun I kind of forgot what day it was. Those are the really good days to have. I'm kidding, I don't know why I forgot what day it was for a few moments. But anyway, today in the trading room we had 3 trades. We were 3-0. And we pulled 18 and 3/4 points out of the market. So it's a very, very nice day today. In our options and swing trade services, we kind of just waited on things to happen, and it goes back to the point that I wanted to talk about. I've had people, join one of the services or talk to me about it and then decide not to join. That's fine. It's not for everybody. But their main reasoning is that I don't take enough trades. And I'm fine with that. Because I think patience is a virtue. Think is not the right word. I believe that patience is a virtue, especially in the markets. I don't want to be in every single trade. I don't want to, take a lot of trades. I guess a great example would be, in our option service, we average usually about, 8 to 15 holdings at any one time, and usually it's closer towards the lower end of that range. In our swing trade service, usually we don't have over a few trades open at any one time. Because different markets need different strategies as far as portfolio management. The options, you can have a handful of positions on and be okay. Swing trading, I don't personally I don't like to have over 4 or 5 positions open at the same time. And sometimes I scale back. Like today, this month, April, we've done 2 trades. We're up $2,200, but we've only done 2 trades. And that's $2,200. That's assuming you're only trading 1 contract per order. If you're trading 10, 20 contracts, obviously you're going to be up a whole lot more. I have clients who are up more than that. Because in your portfolio, depending on how big or what size it is, you're going to manage your position size a little bit differently. But being able to have that patience and wait on your trades, that way you don't have to take 15 trades and have some of them make money, some of them lose money. Last month in March, we probably took a little bit, too many trades in our swing trade group. We took 27 trades. And we did get chopped around a little bit. We ended up making money, and that's what matters. But in hindsight, looking at it, I'm like, wow, we got chopped up in a couple markets, and how do we lessen that? That's what trading's all about. Trading's all about trial and error. I don't care how long you've been trading, you're going to have unsuccessful trades. You're going to have days when you're like, oh shit, what a shitty day. I just want to go punch a hole in the wall. But thank goodness we're humans. We have the ability of self-control. We don't have to, break our computers every bad day, or punch holes in the walls in the bad days. So that's great for us. But anyway, I wanted to talk about that. I felt that it's a very important topic. It's definitely a touchy topic, but it's an important topic. And I'm not somebody who beats around the bush, sugarcoat shit. It is what it is. It doesn't matter how it's perceived, in society, or whatever. The talking heads on the television. It doesn't matter. It is what it is. But anyway, I just wanted to talk about that a little bit, and now let's get into what we did today in our trading room. So right off the bat, market was opening lower. I said let's get long right here. Actually, Yeah, actually it was right here. So I was like, let's get long. I came right into an area I wanted to get long. I didn't really think it was going to buy up like it did. I thought it would bounce a little bit, but it just took off very nicely. So we took partial up here, and then we ended up getting out in the rest down here. So that was a very, very nice trade. Second trade is, we watched price chop around a little bit. We were short right here, and we took profit as this move came lower. Actually, as it bounced a little bit, we got out. Then, price continued to chop around, started to move lower. We're long right in here, and we take profit on the move up and call it a day. So we closed right in here on this candle. I talked about what I was looking at going forward, different scenarios that I was watching, like I do every day, and what I am looking for to happen. I do that analysis for a reason. In the swing trade group, I talk about what I'm looking at. The shortest time frame in the swing trade group between me putting out the video to members talking about I'm going to enter here, my stop will be here, my target is going to be here, this is what I'm looking for, to when we actually got entered is about 5 hours. The longest time between that, probably 5 to 7 days, something like that. I don't know the stats offhand, but I know recently we had a trade that took about 4 to 5 days to fill. So I'm looking at high probable entries. I'm not looking to move my order too much. For the most part, when I put my order in, it's going to stay there until it either gets filled or I just decide to pull it because I'm seeing something different. That happens sometimes. But then again, usually when that happens, we have ample time to be able to pull that order. It's not like we're going to pull it, it's pulled, 20 minutes later it does something different. I'm somebody who is patient. I can wait, just like a tiger hunting in the jungle. If you've watched Discovery Channel or maybe you're a fan of tigers, I don't know. Or you just get on Wikipedia and read about tigers. I don't know why. But they can wait a long time between mills. They can sit there and they can wait. And that's pretty much what we have to be as traders. Not this bull or bear bullshit. You be a tiger. You can wait for a long time before you actually have to eat or make a trade in this scenario. So anyway, hopefully that made sense what I talked about. That's what we did today in the trading room. We're eyeing a couple nice trades in the swing trade room, option service. Looking to exit a few positions, maybe add something next week. I doubt we're going to add anything. Usually I don't make a lot of trades on Friday unless it's just exiting. But, some days are better than others, and some Fridays are very, very good. So, you never know. So anyway, hopefully you got something out of the video. If something really resonated with you, feel free to share. Bull, bear, tiger. I think that's a pretty cool concept. If you want to comment on that, if it resonated with you, or maybe not, or maybe if you have a better analogy, I'd love to hear it. So feel free to share comments below the video. Thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you back here in the markets. Thank you.